Is your HP server running on outdated firmware? Outdated firmware can lead to security vulnerabilities, hardware compatibility issues, performance limitations, and unsupported features that may impact your production environment. This is a real enterprise upgrade demonstration using an HP ProLiant DL380 Gen 11 server, showing every step exactly as it is performed in production environments. In this video, I will walk you through the complete firmware upgrade process from start to finish. We will identify the problem, prepare the server, download the latest service pack for ProLiant, place the host into maintenance mode, mount the ISO, boot into Smart Update Manager, analyze the system, deploy the updates, verify the results, and finally review the entire process. Before performing any firmware upgrade, it is important to identify the currently installed firmware versions. In my environment, I am using an HP ProLiant DL380 Gen 11 server. From the Integrated Lights Out interface, also known as ILO, we can review the currently installed firmware baseline and compare it with the latest available release. This helps us understand what components require updates before starting the upgrade process. The next step is downloading the latest service pack for ProLiant from the HP support portal. The service pack for ProLiant contains validated firmware, drivers, and system components tested together by HP. For this demonstration, I am using the latest available Gen 11 SPEEP release. Before upgrading firmware on a production server, virtual workloads must be protected. If the server is part of a VMware cluster, place the ESXi host into maintenance mode. This ensures that virtual machines are migrated safely and no active workloads are interrupted during the firmware upgrade process. After preparing the host, connect to the server's ILO interface and launch the remote console. Using virtual media, mount the downloaded SPEP ISO directly to the server. This eliminates the need for physical access and allows firmware updates to be performed remotely. Once the ISO is mounted, reboot the server. During startup, access the boot menu and select the virtual CD/DVD device. This will boot the server directly into the HP Smart Update environment. After loading the Smart Update Manager, the system performs a complete inventory scan. It compares the installed firmware versions against the versions included within the service pack. This automated analysis determines which components require updates. After validation is complete, Smart Update Manager begins deploying firmware updates. Components such as ILO, system ROM, storage controllers, network adapters, and other hardware devices are updated automatically. Depending on the server configuration, this process may take between 20 and 50 minutes. During the update process, the ILO firmware may restart. If the remote console disconnects temporarily, do not panic. This is expected behavior and does not interrupt the firmware deployment process. Once deployment is completed, reconnect to ILO and verify the new firmware versions. In this example, the ILO firmware was successfully upgraded from the previous release to version 1.66. Always validate firmware versions after the update process completes. Updating HP server firmware using the service pack for ProLiant is one of the safest and most reliable methods recommended by HP. By following a structured process that includes validation, maintenance mode, inventory analysis, deployment, and verification, administrators can keep their infrastructure secure, stable, and fully supported. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected with Mechanics Hub for more enterprise infrastructure tutorials.